Hey, this is Chef LaWanda's studio. This is Chef LaWanda. Welcome back. Tonight I'm going to be preparing for you Italian spaghetti, baked Italian spaghetti. I'm going to be using, here I've got some Italian sausage, mild Italian sausage. I'm going to use a little bit of ground chuck with that. I've got I'm going to be using some fresh herbs, and I've got oregano and I've got basil. I'm going to put those in my Ninja chopper. I've got 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of mixed bell peppers. It's got red peppers and poblano and bell peppers together. Now this is what I want to pay close attention to. This is garlic. This is a 1/4 cup of garlic. It's not full, but I sliced my garlic for this recipe. So you can see that it's slicing really thin. Real thin slices. You get more flavor from them when you do it this way. And it just makes everything robust. I've got tomato sauce, tomato paste, diced tomatoes. I've even got tomato basil sauce. I've got some vegetables. I've got my water boiling over there to put my veggie spaghetti. Not vegetable spaghetti, but veggie spaghetti. I got some mushrooms. I'm going to be slicing those up as well. I'm going to season it with my regular special seasoning. You have that recipe on my videos if you want to see what that is. And let's get started. Okay, now we're getting ready to prepare this. I got a 1/2 pound of ground meat that I'm using with this recipe. And this is 1 pound, 1 1/4 pound of mild Italian sausage. And we're going to mix these all together here. You know, the sauce, I have a lot of experience with making spaghetti sauce, and I gotta tell you, the best spaghetti sauce is when you use fresh herbs, fresh vegetables that go with it, like the onions, bell peppers, and the fresh herbs like the basil and oregano and garlic. Let's not leave the garlic out. There was one ingredient that I didn't mention, and that is Parmesan. We're going to top this off with Parmesan. Once we get this started, I'm going to turn this up. Okay, add my special blend. You can season it as much as you want to, the way you want to season it. Here I got about 1.5 tablespoons for both of those. Now we have chuck and the sausage. It didn't really, there's not a lot of fat in this meat that I'm using, so hopefully I don't have to drain a lot of fat off. Go ahead and finish slicing up the mushrooms, which is fresh as well. Remember, when you use fresh vegetables, remember you need to wash them regardless. I've already prepared my spaghetti, and it's over in the strainer right now, waiting for the sauce. A good spaghetti sauce will take about a good 30 minutes by itself at least to brew. So all the herbs and seasonings can get blended in really well. So you need to prepare it like on a low. Okay, so while we got this halfway done, I'm going to go ahead and add my vegetables to it. My mushrooms, my garlic, Okay, so now I got the onion. This is 1 cup of onions. And this is 1 cup of bell pepper, green, red, and poblano. So we're gonna let all of this cook down, get all acquainted, let them all get married together. And then we're gonna add the sauces. Get that? Okay, so we got our meat just about done. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oregano and basil, fresh herbs. It is smelling so absolutely good. Now I have some leftover diced tomatoes that I used from what I used previously in a large can. I'm going to add that. I'm going to add tomato paste. This tomato paste will help thicken it as well as being flavorful. Tomato paste is very flavorful, you guys. I don't use it very often, but in certain dishes, it's warranted. And now I've got just some canned tomato basil sauce. I may use a half a can of water with this, and regular tomato sauce. You can use this spaghetti sauce with just, this method with any kind of meat that you want. I think spaghetti should always have fresh herbs, fresh vegetables cut up in them. Oh my God, guys, it smells so good in here. I'm going to go ahead and add half a can of this tomato from the tomato basil sauce. Oh yeah, it is coming along just fine. Oh yes, now, I'm going to have to put some more black pepper in here. I'm going to turn this down really low now. It's past medium low. It's past half. It's closer to real low. That's about 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, but like I said, you can season it to your taste. Do what you want to do. Your kitchen. Your way. Look at that. Oh my God, look at all that. With the mushrooms, herbs. Oh yeah. I'm going to go ahead and shake a few shakes of Parmesan in here. As you can see, it starts to puff simmer, as I would call it. Going pop, pop. That's when your stove gets dirty after that. But I'm going to cover this and turn it on low and just let it cook, like I said, so all the ingredients can marry together. And then we're going to add our spaghetti and put it in the oven. I'm going to come out with an amazing Italian spaghetti bake. Okay, now let's get ready to assemble. We got this sauce all nice over here. You can see that. My God, this has been cooking for about 40 minutes, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead. I put Parmesan cheese in this spaghetti. I'm going to add this sauce to it. Now I'm going to stir this in. I have here some chunks of cheese. You can use any kind. Actually, what is that white kind? Ricotta or provolone cheese would be really good. Any white cheese would be really good for this. I don't have any, so I'm using this. So I'm going to stir this spaghetti mix it all up together. Now that's looking amazing here. Depends on what you like best. If you like more sauce, you can eliminate some of the spaghetti, and vice versa if you like the spaghetti. I'm doing like an equal portion of both of them. Oh my God, look at that. That looks so scrumptious like this by itself. We're gonna bake this in the oven for about 10 minutes maybe. Big chunks of Italian sausage. Oh my goodness, look at that. So I'm going to top this off with, I like the combination of cheddar and American cheese. So I'm going to put this in there on top. Once again, provolone cheese would do really good. There's another white cheese. I can't call the name of it at this moment, but it's not mozzarella. Trust me, it's not. I don't really care for mozzarella. I don't know why, I just don't care for it. I guess I haven't gotten the good expensive type of mozzarella. Okay, so now top this off with some grated Parmesan cheese and a whole lot of it. And with that, and we'll sprinkle parsley flakes on it. We're gonna put it in the oven, bake it at 350 for about 10 minutes at the least, maybe 15, but 10 minutes is good. We'll get back. Okay, let's get this spaghetti out, guys. Ooh, look at here, spaghetti bake. Should get close up on that. Okay, let's spoon this up. I got me some garlic bread already ready to go. Voila, there you go, guys. Italian baked spaghetti, or Italian spaghetti bake. Got some garlic toast over there I'm about to eat up. Guys, if you like the contents of this video, share the video, click like if you like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my next upcoming video. Bye-bye.